Hello girlies, ¿cómo están? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am vlogging as going to the wildlife zoo. I got the little kiddos right here. El gordito anda dormido. But we just got McDonald's really quick. I got a little mango smoothie. Jorge Luis got some nuggets. I actually already ate breakfast, so no agarré nada más que la smoothie. But it's a very good day outside today. It's actually not sunny at all, so it's really good if you're trying to go to the zoo here in Arizona because it is so hot. I put a little hat on just so I don't get like too sunburned, stuff like that, because todavía sí hay sol, pero está nublado. But yeah, we're right here pumping gas really quick. It's like 30 minutes away, so we'll be there in no time. It is currently 3 in the afternoon, so we're like a little bit late. We were supposed to go to Bear, Arizona today, but we decided to not go just because a lot of the like shows and like a lot of the stuff over there is closed down. So dijimos, pues vamos al zoológico mejor. But yeah, so I'll see you guys once we get there. So we just got to the zoo. We're about to enter.
Come on, Bobby.
Dice, a ver, ¿qué me encuentro aquí? Pues está el sobaquito aquí. Go.
Can't go sit.
What do you want to see? There's a turtle in there and it looks so cute. It has like a
long nose?
Yeah. It's so cute. It's adorable. He's like so unbothered.
You love it?
Look, they're coming to you.
So cool, huh? Oh, let's go look at more stuff.
Look at what is it? You love the turtles?
Yeah, but the music is there.
Así dice. Look at Papi, look at all the fishes. You love it? Look at Finding Nemo. Look, Papa. It's an otter, look. You see that?
The otters.
They're so cute.
Look, we saw a pig.
What is it?
We saw a
Baby shark?
Come on, it's Mama.
Come on, let's go.
We do, Mommy. We do.
Let's go get Baby shark. Come on. Look at another one.
What's that? Right there. What is that? Look at that creature. Oh, right there, Nico.
What? Dory. Oh, it is Dory. Look, it's Dory. Oh, she hid. She's over there. That Dory from Finding Nemo.
Look at this.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Look at that.
You see that? The birdie was dancing, huh? ¿Cómo hacía? You're so silly.
Oh, you got another crocodile here.
Oh, I get the chills. Where? Oh, I get the chills. Oh my god, look how beautiful they are. They're like iridescent, huh? They're so beautiful. What's up there? Look at that.
Look at that big ass eel.
Where? Oh my goodness.
Look at his face on here.
Is it two or one?
It's two of them.
Ew, oh my god, look.
They're scary, huh?
They look like the one from Mario, the Mario game, where it's like eating you. You know what I'm talking about? Look at the stingray. Ahí viene una.
Touch him?
Ay.
Thank
Touch him, baby.
you.
Just don't touch his stinger.
I feel like I will touch his stinger. I'm so dumb. Mira, ahí vienen. What about if it flaps me with its sting?
Touch it.
I'm scared. Look at how big this one is.
Touch it.
Oh my god, it's slimy. Oh. Hey, the baby. Oh my god, look at the shark. Look at this big fish. Oh my gosh, look at it. That's so scary.
A little pufferfish, look at.
Huh? What is it?
Pufferfish.
A puffer fish?
Yeah, the little ones.
Oh, those are sick. The albino crocodile, Jorge. Does it eat those little fishes? Mira, look, it's just staring him down. That is so crazy. Look at these ones, they look cool. They look like they're made out of like a cobija. Babe, look at the freaking crocodile, alligator, ¿qué es? That's so crazy. He's so adorable. Oh my goodness. Mira qué hermoso.
Come on, puppy.
He's so cute, huh, puppy?
Yeah.
Aw.
Take a picture?
Yeah, I took a picture.
Oh, so pretty.
It's so pretty. It's
This
so
is the one.
yeah.
Oh, mommy.
Oh my god, look at the turtle, Papa. The big turtle. You see that? They're huge. Mira, ahí vienen. Oh. Oh, look at
No, little.
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, so pretty. So cute. So cute, mommy. So cute.
Oh my god, look at him go.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Where's the
Oh.
baby?
Yeah, so big.
Oh, look at the baby's over there. Where is it?
Here.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
Hey, baby.
that's not the baby.
Baby, mommy.
I can't reach it, dude. Hey, ruthless, huh?
Why?
He chased him out.
Really?
Come on.
Wait, he like it.
That shouldn't go.
Go, go.
Mira, qué chiquito.
Little baby, that baby can do. Hey, baby, mom. Ay. Cayó. Cayó.
¿Se cayó?
Sí, cayó el monkey.
¿Cómo hizo?
Oh, Puma, Puma. He's there. Yeah,
Pobrecito. Are you okay, monkey?
Puma. Okay, monkey. Go there.
Okay, he's okay. Come on.
Binga, binga, binga. He's there with the monkey.
¿Qué pandas? Don't you play with me, boy. Qué mentiroso eres, Jorge. There's no type of panda.
Hippos, zebras.
Oh, no, mommy.
This way, this way.
Here, babe. You push it. Mira los monkeys. Jorge, where did you learn that monkeys are afraid of water?
Yeah, the monkey wants to
I didn't. I just seen that they don't jump to the water.
Uh,
You think there's alligators inside and shit.
really? Qué mentiroso.
They do.
Jorge's over here trying to tell me some false information.
No, they're good.
Did you learn this in school? Qué mentiroso. Mira este.
Ah, what the fuck is going there for that? Like, wanna give it a
Mira.
Hey, pinche dientón. Ten.
I wonder what's wrong with this one for real. Look, all their butts are all messed up. Nomás hay tres.
Come on, Bubba. Let's see if you're doing that again. I don't know what it has against it. Come on, Junior.
That's weird.
Look, that one's growling at
You
you,
look
too.
good?
What? That one, when you
Yo te quedo
pass
nipples.
by, is growling at you. Watch. Watch.
Mommy's there.
No, it is
Crazy
her.
how many it sees her. Does it?
That's funny.
Yeah.
Come on, Junior, let's go.
That's so funny.
He's
He's mad, papi?
Yeah.
¿Cómo hace?
He's there.
¿Y cómo hace con la butt? Así. You're so cute. Look, papi. These are the ones that chase down. ¿Cómo se llama the lion, bro? You're so annoying, mister. Yeah, I was about to say Simba, but I didn't know if that was really the name.
What are you looking at? You don't even know what she's looking at. They're over here. It's a gazelle.
Mommy.
Huh?
There's baby steps.
It's a baby. Mira, 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 está corriendo.
He likes it.
Come on. Hey, get your face out of there.
Take it down, mommy.
Come on.
Mommy, take it down.
Está corriendo. Córrele con daddy. Con daddy.
A military macaw.
Give me the team. You look, you're that pheasant right there. Because you're a peasant. What? ¿Qué son? Look, if me and you were some birds, that would be us flirting. I am a little shy or whatever. Where? Oh my god. I'm on my left door. What is it?
You let it charge
No
for
son
4 hours?
vacas.
You let it charge for 4 hours?
No son
That's what it said
vacas.
on the paper.
I love you, Mommy.
Mira los paws, qué grandota. Ay, qué hermoso, look. Oh
nice,
my
huh? Imagine having one.
goodness. Oh, I just want to hug it.
See the papa, Mommy?
Big old paws, huh?
Y el gordito, we're halfway through the zoo y el gordito aquí todavía anda dormido. ¡Ay, qué hermoso! ¡Ay, qué hermoso! ¡Ay, ay, ay!
Ay. Mommy, Carrie.
Ahí anda el Jorge, bien echadote.
He ready me coming. He comes ready.
What is that, babe puppy?
No?
What is it? Is that daddy?
Una colita que traes para tu pelo.
¿Qué parece? Looks like your pelo. Mira.
That's sucio, Mommy.
They must have some strong
Oh, el otro
legs.
ahí
huh?
está.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Ahí
That's
estás
what I
tú.
was saying. That's Moto Moto.
¿Qué moro moro? That's you.
Moto Moto's from Madagascar.
I know who you're talking about. But that's you. That's you on Saturdays and Sundays.
Oh, that's nasty. He drank his piss.
Imagínate un lambido. Like that, si tienes la cola tú. They're just all peeing, huh?
No want it. No want it.
No want it. We're gonna pet him or what?
Mira, está corriendo. Damn, they're fast.
That one's over there sucking on chains, huh?
Probably like the taste of
Maggie, that's Maggie, Daddy. That's Maggie.
Okay. Ay, mira, dale, act like you're gonna give it food. Y te va a sacar la lengua.
la lengüita.
No, he don't want it.
Yes, we're having it.
Give it to the other one.
¡Ay, qué miedo! Que se me venga.
Hey. You wanna feed him?
No,
You don't wanna feed him? Oh, bite.
It's all slimy, their tongue. He was just licking the other one's butt. Pick up the baby para que le dé una. We are currently in the Dragon World section, and I have chills everywhere on my body because I am terrified of lizards. Oh, they just give me the chills. And Jorge's over here having a blast. But there is a gigantic snake. Oh my goodness. Look at the head of the snake. It's humongous, Jorge. Look. Mira qué grandota. Oh my god. What do you think they feed the snake? Ay, no, Jorge. No seas así. Oh, look, literally touch my legs. I get chills. Yo, qué baby anaconda más mongola también. Ay, no. The baby woke up and I fed him. Y se volvió a dormir, el gorditos. Nothing. What do you rate the zoo, babe?
Trash.
Trash? You wouldn't recommend people to come here?
San Diego's is better.
Well, yeah, but we're not in California, so. What?
All those little things that on my nose.
A little fly. But yeah, we're practically done with the zoo. We're just like, trying to see the white tiger and stuff. We don't know where it's at, so we're like looking for it. But yeah, it's been a good day so far.
What are these called again?
Which ones?
The goose.
The goose? Pues no hay nada. Oh yeah, they're over there. Okay, we're on our way to see the white tiger.
I did it.
Roar.
Pinche tiger más huevón que yo todavía.
Did we get up again, Mommy?
Look, he woke up.
So pretty, Mommy. Did it get almost a girl?
It's a girl?
Yeah.
How do you know it's a girl? Huh?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Roar.
So we are coming to an end on our trip to the zoo. Honestly, Javier is a mood. He's been asleep the whole time. He only woke up once to breastfeed, so. But it was pretty cool. My camera died, so if the quality looks a little bit different, that's why. But yeah, if you guys are from Arizona, I just suggest that you guys come to the zoo and look at all these beautiful animals. Is that a monkey? The oh, they're birds. But yeah, so we're just making our way out. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we just left the zoo and it is 6:17. We got there. What time did we get there? Like at 4, huh? It was about it before. It was like 3:50. So it took us about 3 hours to recorrer todo el zoológico. It was pretty cool. Papi, you like the zoo? You did? What was your favorite part? ¿Cuál era tu favorita parte? You like the monkeys? Yeah? You like the shark? You like the turtle? See? Alright, you guys, so I think we're gonna get something to eat and what, baby? I think we're gonna get something to eat, right? Because I'm hungry and I'm pretty sure they're hungry too. So yeah, we're gonna get something to eat and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!